Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Perched on the hills above coastal Treasure Beach, Palms 360 has a panoramic view from Great Bay to Paraty and up into the Santa Cruz Mountains. Professionally designed and decorated, no detail is left unattended. The main floor of the house, with its own pool, spacious veranda, and ample living room, is completed with 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a full kitchen. Upstairs, the independent Firefly Suite is an open design with bedroom, bathroom, a full kitchen, and its own pool. Each side opens to magnificent views of the South Coast and the Santa Cruz Mountains. And not to be outdone is the sweet 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom garden cottage. Palms 360 lends itself to family style living while also afford the option of vacation rentals should the new owner wish an income generating property. The property is located in close proximity to Sports Park, Lashin Boutique Hotel, primary school, postal agency, and a short cycle or drive to the beaches. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $745,000 or Jamaican $114.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.